Okay, we're on part two of the Pinterest search option. I kind of just went over these tabs here in video one, searching up here. You can search the pins, which is default, boards, and people. Now let's utilize that. So you're going to want to utilize all three to get found. And the way to do that, if you want to go up to your profile, just click your profile up here to the right. And from what I've seen, a lot of the descriptions in here, like in your profile itself and in the actual board descriptions, don't show up in search. I could be wrong, but from the research I did and just playing around with it, a lot of these descriptions itself in the board and in your profile don't. In the pins, yes. So what you want to do is actually put whatever you're going to be found for in the title up here as your name, and that makes a huge impact on what you're going to get found for. You saw that when I searched people in video one, I was the only person that came up because I had this right here in the social media news search. Um, so you're gonna want to utilize that no matter what, and that's why I said in the blog post, really pick out the main thing you're getting found for, because this is really, you're not going to really have room for anything else than that. The next thing you can do is go up here and go into your settings, and you're going to want to see how I put first name social media news and last name with MediaCurve. That's where I did that. What you can also do, which is going to really help out in all the searches that I found, I saw a couple people do this, you actually change this username. I'm not going to do it because I really want the MediaCurve there, but if you really want to get found for the other stuff in here, I could change this to social media news, and it would just be pinterest.com, / social media news, and then you would get found for that more often too. And I saw that when searching in the boards and everything, the actual person itself was coming up in the search results. So you can really do this right here, and that will make a huge difference. Then of course you could have a board name social media news, pin name social media news, and hashtag social media news in the pins, and you're gonna have, you're gonna pretty much dominate it as far as that one category. And of course I'm just using that as an example. You can use whatever you'd like. But this is very simple to do. Again, you just go up here and go into your settings, and then you just go from there. I mean, do those couple steps right there. Again, I put this in here for the social media news. I haven't really seen that help out too much. That was something I just tested out. And then the board names, if you go into your profile here in the actual board names, that does help. I just don't have anything in there right now. But as far as the board description, um, I didn't really see that help out too much either. So it's really just the title up here, the description itself. I didn't see too much. And of course with the right board names too, like these, like R Style and Funny Pins, that's useless. I need to change all of those. Places around the world, that's not going to show up because there's too many people with that, and so on. This one I just changed to MediaCurve blog, so I would have that. So it'd be, this one up here would be, Pinterest.com MediaCurve blog. So this all helps with Google too. So this all shows up on Google, and you're going to want to have those keywords in there so people can find you organically on Google as well. So that's kind of the gist of it. Those are going to be your tips for this. If you have any questions, let me know, and check out the basics of Pinterest post. But you're going to want to, yeah, you're going to want to play around with that, as it's very helpful. And yeah, we'll keep continuing on here. All right.